All right, number 6 on the review. Find the derivative of x squared times f of x. And I guess the tricky part is I don't know what f of x is. So what exactly can I do here? It's definitely the product rule. And I'm hesitant to label it f and g because then I would be labeling f as g and this one as f. That would really get confusing. So I think I'm going to do the product rule in place. Otherwise, I'm going to get confused on who's f and who's f prime. So I'm going to think instead first times derivative of the second plus second times derivative of the first. I'm just hesitant to label things f and g when there's already an f claimed. I could label them backwards, g and f, because the product rule would work the same way. But it might be easier to just think this way. So the first is x squared. The derivative of the second, I don't know what the second is, so what can I use to designate the derivative of f of x? What symbol would mean derivative of f of x? F prime. Plus the second times the derivative of the first. And that's about all I could do with that. So it's kind of a weird question because there's not much you can do. It's like expressly testing the product rule. Almost only testing the product rule. I guess CalcChat would get creative and factor out an x. Something like that. But that's about all you could do with that one. So kind of a weird question. Hopefully if it's multiple choice, you'd be okay to maybe figure out that the only thing you could do with f is to make it f prime.